How to withdraw TikTok shop balance from refunds. Now in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can withdraw the money that you have from your TikTok shop balance that is directly from your refunds account. So of course, first is open up your TikTok shop application. And next thing that you want to have to do is of course make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now at the top right, you should see three lines. Tap on that, and then you will see a lot of options here. Now you can go ahead and tap on payment. Now from payment, you can actually manage your payments here. And then there is actually a specific method for refunds only. Tap on for refunds and hit on manage. And in here, you can only set up a bank account for your refund method. Tap on that and input your first, last, bank name, bank account number, and so on and so forth. And then hit on submit. And you can also choose to make it as or to set it as your primary account. Now, the other thing that you can do is you can go all the way back and then you can start and set up your payment method, like for example, your PayMaya, your Add Credit, or your debit card, so that you can use it to input the balance that you have from your refunds directly from the additional payment method that you set up. And that's how you withdraw TikTok shop balance from refunds.